Hi guys, welcome to my channel. For those who do not know me, my name is Susie, and today I'm going to be creating a look using this palette right here, Take Me Back to Brazil. We're going to be doing it like a sunset type look. Just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to be using the tape shape, the Tarte tape shape. With a Morphe sponge. I'm going to go ahead and set that with some Airspun. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and go in with Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I'm going to go in with the yellow shade. So basically I'm going to be using this as my transition color. Now you can stay with this light, or you can intensify it. And I like to go ahead and intensify it because so it can peek out when you're adding all the other colors. I'm going to go ahead and go in with orange. Right below, you can bring it up. And again, I'm going to go ahead and intensify that color. And you can always go back and add more to the bottom color. Now we're going in with red. Okay, I'm going to go in with purple. And then intensify that purple. I'm going to go ahead and go with a pearl white and put that on my brow bone. Go in with a black eyeliner and tight line. I'm going to go ahead and go with liquid liner. I'm not going to do it too dramatic. I'm going to stay close to my lash line. Getting mascara. So I'm going to use falsies. I'm going to use the Kiss brand, but Style Flirty. Blend those together. Clean it up. Since I already primed my face, I'm going to go ahead and go in with my foundation. I'm going to go in with concealer. I'm going to go ahead and set the concealer. I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Hoola bronzer. I'm going to go ahead and go in with my highlighter. Go ahead and use my finger. I feel like it warms up with my finger. And I have more control of where it's going. Tight line, not all the way but halfway. Go ahead and go in with the mascara and coat my bottom lashes. I'm going to take the NYX Lip Liner in Natural and line my lips. I'm going to go in with the Milani Bahama Beige lipstick. Okay guys, so this completes the final look.